Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get mint jewel grounded. First, gather your mint jewel and a reliable grinding tool, like a mortar and pestle or a small, clean grinder. Make sure your workspace is tidy to prevent any contamination. You'll also need a small, airtight container ready to store your freshly ground jewel. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient process from start to finish. Before grinding, gently clean your mint jewel with a soft, dry cloth to remove any surface dust or debris. If your jewel is particularly large, carefully break it into smaller, more manageable pieces. This step makes the grinding process much easier and more effective. Once prepared, place these smaller pieces directly into your grinding tool, ready for the next stage. Now begin the grinding process. If using a mortar and pestle, use a circular motion with steady, even pressure. For a grinder, follow its specific instructions. Continue grinding until the mint jewel transforms into a fine, consistent powder. Periodically, use a small spatula or spoon to scrape down any material clinging to the sides of your grinding tool, ensuring everything is thoroughly processed. Once your mint jewel is perfectly ground into a fine powder, carefully transfer it into the airtight container you prepared earlier. It's crucial to seal the container tightly to protect the powder from moisture and air, which can degrade its quality. For optimal preservation, store your container in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight. This method ensures your grounded mint jewel remains potent and ready for use.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.